Look at this 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Carfax has certified this Silverado 1500 as having one owner. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 4.8-liter engine, and has an unspecified transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include power steering, AM/FM stereo, air conditioning and driver airbag. Call 888-571-8863 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.